Here's how to fix if a Telegram channel can't be displayed. Now, if you're in Telegram on your iPhone or Android and you go to your channels, but it won't show you all of those channels or it won't show you content within those channels, it's because of your sensitive content filtering. Now, unfortunately, we cannot change that in the app, but we can change it in the web-based version. So hop out of the app on your iPhone or Android and instead go to a web browser. And from here, we're going to go to the official Telegram website. It's web.telegram.org. From here, of course, you need to log into your account. So just log in, and if it asks you to bring you over to the app, make sure you don't do that. Stay in the web-based version. From here, you'll be able to see at the top left is those three lines. Let's tap on that to get to your settings here. And after you're in your settings, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the privacy for. And then we'll tap on privacy and security. All we need to do from here is scroll down and you can see sensitive content. All we need to do is tap on to disable the filtering, allowing you to see all content on Telegram, including adult or sensitive content.